Good day friends, if your Doordash order arrived missing items completely wrong or didn't show up at all, getting your money back is actually really simple. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps how to perform it. So first, let's open up your order history and launch the automated help tool. So head over into your accounts profile and then select orders. As you can see right here, right next to your accounts, select that. Then scroll through your past orders and tap the problematic order. You can just choose view order. After that, look at the top right corner of the summary and tap help right here in the top. Under the order issues menu, select the option that matches your situation, like missing or incorrect, order never arrived, poor, food quality. And let me show you how to select affected items and submit your request. So tick the specific affected items or missing side dishes from your order breakdown. If an item was damaged or completely incorrect, make sure to take a clear photo for evidence and upload it. This speeds up automated approval massively. And then just choose how you want your money back. Select Doordash credits for instant access on your next meal, or choose original payment method, which takes 3 to 5 working days to land back into your account. And then of course just click submit. And other way is using your desktop, navigating to orders, clicking help, and contacting the customer support. In here just specify their mail, input your order name or number, and then just send them this mail. That is it. Hopefully this was helpful. Enjoy.